Now, how to make a private note in HideU calculator. Here, click on this notes. Now wait for it to open. Now, as you can see what you can use it to do. You see it here. Now here, to make a private note, click on this plus icon on the down section here. Now here, write whatever you want to write here. Now after making the note, what you do is just click on this good icon on the top side here. Now here, to go back, just click on this arrow icon on the top side here after making the note. Now here you can see the note here. You see it. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it down in the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you most of all for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.